And amid the row over ex-army chief's memoir, Rahul Gandhi has now said former army chief Naravane had shared a link to his book online and that either the army chief is lying or the publisher is. Remember, this is with regards to some of the quotes that he wanted to talk about in the House, which has led to all the ruckus that we've been seeing, which has played out over the past week and the past few days. So this is the latest that's coming out right now. Rahul Gandhi saying that I will trust the ex-army chief. He's citing quotes from his book, his memoir. He said that either the army chief has shared a link to his book online and that either he is lying or the publisher in this case is.
Here is a tweet from Mr. Naravane. ये देख लीजिए please.
Can you read, sir, please?
Manoj Naravane ji. It's a tweet that says, "Hello friends, my book is available now. Just follow the link. Happy reading. Jai Hind." This is a tweet that Mr. Naravane has made. You can look into the tweet. So the point I'm making is, either Mr. Naravane is lying, and I believe the army chief. Okay, I don't think he will lie, or Penguin is lying. Somebody needs to. Both cannot be telling the truth. Okay.
Do you think this is a conspiracy from the
No. Please listen to what I said. Penguin is saying something. They're saying the book is not being published. Right? The book is available on Amazon. General Naravane has tweeted, as I just read to you, that please buy my book. And I think he tweeted that in 2013, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, 2023. So Naravane ji, who's the army chief, who I believe, over Penguin. Do you believe Penguin over Naravane ji? Right? So I believe Mr. Naravane. He's the army chief. He has made certain statements in the book. That is inconvenient for the government of India. It's inconvenient for the Prime Minister of India. And obviously, you have to decide whether Penguin is telling the truth or army chief is telling the truth. That's the simple issue. The central, देखिए, the central thing is, वो दिखाना जरा वो भाई वो पिक्चर दिखाना है, पोस्टर लाओ जरा, पोस्टर लाओ. This दिखाओ जरा. This is the image. ये दिखा दीजिए यहाँ पे. ये ठीक से दिखाइए. This is the image that you have to understand. ये हुआ है. जो यूएस के साथ ट्रेड डील हुई है, वो इस कारण हुई है. ये हुआ है. ठीक है. क्लियरली इसको समझिए. ये नारावाने जी की बात है, एप्स्टीन की बात है, ये जो सब हो रहा है. राइट? मेन चीज ये है. थैंक यू.
All right, for more on this, we have Arnima live with us. Arnima, thank you so much for joining me. Good morning. Of course, he is showing us that tweet. He's saying that I believe the ex-army chief. So one of them has to be lying. Both accounts cannot be true. He's then pointing to that banner that he was showing in the backdrop as well. Arnima, where do things stand right now?
So you have to understand why this clarification from Rahul Gandhi has become even more imperative, legally speaking, because Delhi police now started a probe. A criminal investigation has now begun as to how this book, which is unpublished as per Government of India, and which Penguin, the publisher, have now come on record. They issued a statement to say that we have not shared any PDF copy. There is a PDF copy that is doing the round. If you see the PDF copy, it clearly says that this is not for publication, yet it is doing the rounds. There was also a copy of the book, the picture that we're showing on our screen, Rahul Gandhi with a copy of that book showcasing, and therefore he falls within the ambit of the Delhi police's investigation as well. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh stood up on the floor of the House and said that this book is not published, and that was the sole reason why this entire ruckus began in Lok Sabha. You cannot quote from an unpublished book is what the speaker said as well. Now Rahul is trying to clarify that the book is published, and he's putting out this tweet from former Army Chief General Naravane from 2023. 15th of December 2023, he had put out this tweet saying, my book is now available. That is what Rahul Gandhi is referring to. But he's also clarifying that Penguin is saying that the book is not published, it's the publisher. So who's really speaking the truth here? And see, since he has a copy of that book, He says it's available on Amazon, and the government is misleading when it says that this book is not published or that the book is not in public domain.
Right, Arnima, on what he was talking about the India-US trade deal as well, something that has also been a topic of much controversy these days. There have been so many speculations. Now, what he said was, this is why, and I'm quoting him here, this is why he was pointing to that banner, this is why the deal has happened. Another insinuation, perhaps, that there have been some quiet concessions that the government does not want the people to know about.
So Rahul Gandhi has changed his tactics. When he was speaking on motion of thanks, he wanted to get out the government on the China front. He's trying to argue, using General Naravane's book, that you failed as far as your anti-China policy is concerned. Jo uchit samjho wo karo was what the Prime Minister told when the Chief of Army Staff was seeking directions as to how to really tackle China. Should we fire because they are being aggressive on the Kailash Ridge, their tanks are climbing. That was the initial point that Rahul Gandhi started by making. But then came the news of the Indo-US deal, and now all opposition leaders want Rahul Gandhi to also ask questions because there are farmers' issues involved here. There are questions about India's oil policy. Have we decided not to buy oil from Russia, as is being alleged by the US administration? What are the safeguards that are available for Indian farmers? All of these are questions that other opposition members, Samajwadi Party, DMK, TMC, left, they all want. So Rahul Gandhi is now changing tactics to also say that I am not being allowed to speak because I want to ask the government about the Epstein files. I want to ask the government about the Indo-US trade deal and also about what General Naravane has alleged.
Absolutely, Arunima. In fact, I was just going to come to this as well. Many in the opposition also saying that they are, of course, wanting things to go back to normal so that they can focus on other civic issues as well, and issues that are of interest and priority at this point in time. However,